Taking cool photos of men in kimono. In this video, I'll show you how to take cool photos of men in kimono using a softbox. Men in Japanese kimono are cool, right? This time, I'll tell you something super simple. The strobe I use is Godox Parabolic Softbox. First, take a picture of the subject close to a white background. The softbox should be as close as possible to the subject, about 50 centimeters away. If you get the softbox as close as possible to the subject, the soft light will give even a stuntman a cool and gentle look. Since the subject is closer to the background will also be brighter near the softbox. Next, take a photo with a distance of about 2.5 meters between the subject and the background. The distance between the softbox and the subject is about 50 centimeters. The background becomes dark gray. On the other hand, the background on the right is a little brighter. When the subject moves away from the background becomes darker with a light close to the subject. Next, I shoot with the distance between the subject and the background about 5 meters. The strobe light does not reach the background, and the white background becomes much darker, almost black. By moving the softbox closer, you can control the density of the white background. On the other hand, if you shine the softbox from a distance, not only will the light become hard, but it will also be difficult to control the density of the background. Also, by bringing the softbox closer, you can darken the shadows on the other side of the face, making the man look cool in the shot. Everyone, give it a try!